Today I'm going to show you a little bit about ADP's Payroll Plus. Presentation, I'm going to show you how to add an employee, what is all needed to add an employee, and how to run a payroll. This is the home page of Payroll Plus. If you go under the to-do list, it'll show you the next payroll that needs to be processed for your company. For example, my company has a semi-monthly payroll and a monthly payroll. So we do payroll on the 1st and the 15th of every month, and then on the 2nd of every month for our monthly payroll. If it doesn't come up under the to-do list to process your payroll, you can click on Run Payroll to get to your next payroll, but it normally pops up under the to-do list. It always pops up. Before you run any payroll, you have to have employees to be paid. Therefore, you go from the home page, you go to employees, and you just hover over it, and a drop box will come down, and you click on Add Employee. When you do that, the screen pops up, and you begin adding the basic information, such as their name, last name, address, and such. When you're adding an employee in, you have to make sure you add in their tax information, so when you run the payroll, their taxes are pulled correctly. For example, every time we hire somebody, they fill out a W-4, and that W-4, we use that information to put in here. If they are married or single, and how many dependents they are claiming. On the employee's payroll information screen, all you put in is the pay type, either their hourly or salary. You put in their pay frequency, which is they're either monthly or semi-monthly for our company. You also put in how much they make an hour, their hourly rate or their salary rate. Over on the right hand side where it says department, if you go on that drop down box, you can put whether they're in used car department, new car department, clerical, service, and that'll make it where it pulls to the correct accounting for our company. This is the earnings and deduction screen, and if you go over to the right hand side, it says edit, and you can just edit however much an employee wants to put in their 401k every month or every paycheck, and then how much their inches, like if they have AFLAC, if it's pre-taxed or taxed insurance, and HSA, and then at the very bottom I have a non-tax insurance. That's how much I pay per paycheck for our insurance at work. So it's just very simple. All you have to do is click edit and put the amount that we need to take from every employee, and it automatically to every single payroll. This is the garnishment screen. If you just clicked on it, this is where we put everything such as child support or wage assignment that the government has sent us for an employee to pay them back for something. It's just very simple. Once again, all you do is hit edit, you put the amount that needs to come out of every single paycheck, and that's it. It's really that simple. Payroll Plus gives you the option for direct deposit or hard checks, but our company does just direct deposit. So if you go to the direct deposit tab, you just click on it, and this screen will pop up, and you just add the routing number, add the account number, and whether it's a saving or checking account. When it's time for you to run your payroll, you go back to the home screen and either click Run Payroll, or on the right hand side under the to-do list, click on your next payroll that you need to do. Once you click on that, this payroll screen will pop up, and it'll have all your employees' names, the department they work in, their hourly rate or their salary amount, and then you just fill in the rest as far as their hours, their overtime hours, since those are different every payroll. And then you also put in their vacation hours if they requested some, or their bonus amounts. And all you do is click on the box, and you just however many hours. If it's 40 hours, 45 hours, you just enter every single person in there and their overtime hours. That's all you do. After you enter all your employees' hours, their overtime hours, their vacation hours, their bonus amounts, you just scroll down to the bottom. There's a little green button that says Preview Payroll. You click on it and preview your payroll. Make sure everything you've entered is correct and just hit Submit. After you hit Submit, your payroll is complete. The advantages of using Payroll Plus are that it's easy to use, it's affordable for companies, and it's accessible anywhere. If any of you are thinking about starting your own business or you work for a company that doesn't have a very easy payroll system, this is a good system to look at. You can go to this website, payrollplus.adp.com, to learn more about it, but it's just very easy to use. I recommend it